This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by jyork. Immaculate one-level mid-century modern on over an acre private lot. This completely renovated home features a light-filled open floor plan with exposed beams, walls of glass, gourmet kitchen with large island, spa-like master suite with sauna and walk-in closet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2 fireplaces, huge laundry room and a state-of-the-art mechanics. Outside enjoy the large covered patio with built-in seating and fire pit, fully fenced front yard with turf, oversized 2-car garage with charging hookup. For more information, review the details below or contact jyork at 503-287-8989.